So, if we have a given of 2x minus 2, absolute value of 1. So, we'll pause the video and try to solve it. So, first we need to do is rewrite. So first we need to do is to rewrite. So the first form is the original form, which is 2x minus 2 is equal to negative 1, and 2x minus 2 is equal to negative 1. So first we need to do is cancel this. So we add 2 to cancel this, and add this 2. So additive multiplication. So 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3. Oh, mali. Our given is 5. Sorry, I'm wrong. So negative 1 is equal to 1. 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 1. So if we have given like this, so we plus 5 so that we can cancel this, and the 2x will be remainder. So 2x equal to 1. The 1 is para 6. Sorry. Equal to 6. So divide both sides by 2. Cancel this. So answer is 6 divided by 2 is 3. This is our answer. X equal to 3. And left side, gawin din natin yung kuan. Mag-add din tayo ng 5 para makancel to 5. Add lang tayo ng 5. And pag nag-add tayo ng 5 dito, add din tayo ng 5 dito. So our equation is 2x na lang natitira. 2x the 1, and negative 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. So divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is the final answer of the absolute value of the 2x minus 5 is equal to 1.